Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let us learn some very important topic from the English grammar, that is question tag, which is very important for exam as well as you may expect the definite question from this topic. So what is a question tag? Question tag is nothing but if there is a statement here, if the statement is positive, the tag will be negative. If the statement is negative, the tag will be positive. Some negative words what we are using here is no, not, never, no, nothing, nobody, none, neither, nor. These are the negative words which we'll be using in this question tag. So let us learn some very important topics here. Is plus not is equals to isn't, same, aren't, wasn't, weren't, don't, didn't, doesn't, haven't, hasn't, hadn't, won't, wouldn't, shan't, shouldn't, can't, couldn't, may not, might not, and aren't. So these are the different question tags you should remember here. So let us learn some questions here. The third person what he can use here is does. So present tense what we have is do. Past tense will be did. So you are a student, aren't you? You are because it is a positive statement. Okay. So what you have to write is aren't you? He is very busy, isn't he? He was happy, wasn't he? They were surprised, weren't they? You speak English, don't you? He studied Spanish, doesn't he? You studied for the test, didn't you? You will pass the exam, won't you? I am not the winner, am I? I am not the winner. See here, it is a negative statement. So you have to write in the positive way. That is, am I? She is not a doctor. It is what? A negative statements. All these are. So you have to write the positive tag. Is she? You aren't a teacher, are you? Isn't a crazy? Is he? He wasn't relaxed. What was he? They weren't late, were they? You don't speak English, do you? You didn't study for the exam, did you? You haven't been here for all the week, have you? He won't solve the problem, will he? So you can see the two different positive statement as well as a negative statement here with the positive tag and the negative tag. So the next we have is some imperative beginnings with let me are followed by the question tags. Won't you or will you? Won't you express compliance and will you express polite request? Imperative beginnings with just are followed by the positive question tag. Will you, especially when they express a polite request. Next, we have imperative beginnings with the letters are followed by the positive question tag. Shall we, especially when I expressed suggestions. Let me read the articles, won't you? Express comparison. Let me read the articles, will you? Polite request. So what is the differences between the expressing compliance and polite request is polite is asking politely, will you? Then what is expressing compliance? It is that won't you? Like we are questioning it. Okay. Then just want outside, will you? Let us have dinner, shall we? So these are the different ways you can learn. So let us learn some many examples here. Let's go home. Shailaja is a good teacher. Is a good teacher. It is a positive. So what will be the answer? Isn't she? He is not in the office. He is not. That is he. Positive tag is he for that. The elephant is a strong animal. It is a positive statement. You should write the negative answer. Isn't it? So I'm a teacher. It's a positive statement. So what will be the answer? Aren't I? So Raji helps the needy. Does he? Doesn't he? Yes, it's a doesn't he. He got a medal. Didn't he? They go by bus. Don't they? She was a patriot. Wasn't she? He cannot swim. Can't he? Next question answers you have to give in the comment sections. That is the question number 10, 11 and 12. Hope you guys have understood.